Hi, my name is Summer, and today we have Zhengde and Celeste together with me to present our accounting project for our CA2. Next. We have three agendas. The first one is key areas to improve the ABSS software. Second will be source documents. Thirdly will be accounting concepts and principles. Next. Next. So number one will be to actually have customer support and training, such as improving onboarding tutorials and to actually help documentation to help new users on the onboarding process and experience, and to also add more in-app guardians or chatbots to ensure that users have help constantly, and to offer online training modules and webinars for users at different levels, because there will be different type of users who want basic things or the expert level on using the software. Secondly, will be user interface and the ease of use, where you try to modernize the look and feel to match the newer accounting softwares. Because right now the ABSS software looks very old, so modernizing it to look the same as the newer software would be good. And to simplify the navigation menus and to make frequent tasks more accessible, and to improve error messages and prompts to actually help the non-technical users to troubleshoot easily, such as when they are keying in the accounts payable, sometimes they may have typos. So having this will actually help them to minimize the errors. Next, please. Now I'll pass my time on to Zhengde.
I'm Zhengde, and now I'll be presenting on how source documents translate to business transactions. Source documents are the original records that provide evidence a business transaction that had occurred. These documents are crucial for recording transactions accurately in the accounting system. Here's how they translate to business transactions with two clear examples. So let's start off with the sales invoice first. A sales invoice is issued when a business sells goods or services on credit. It acts as a formal request for payment. In this scenario, Kaya Private Limited sells $29,400 worth of computers to Marine Private Limited on credit. The source document used is sales invoice R06345, which provides the evidence for recognizing the revenue. From an accounting perspective, this transaction is recorded as follows. Debit account receivables $29,400. This reflects the amount that Marine Private Limited owes to Kaya Private Limited. Credit sales revenue 29,400. This reflects the income earned by Kaya Private Limited. The sales invoice allows the company to record this revenue and receivables in the books accurately. Next. Now moving on to the purchase receipt. A purchase receipt is issued when a business buys goods or services. It serves as proof of purchase. In this scenario, Kaya Private Limited purchases $36,000 worth of computer inventory from Candy Electrical Private Limited. The source document is purchase receipt R88907, which confirms the payment and delivery. The accounting entry for this transaction is debit inventory $36,000, recognizing the asset purchased, and credit cash $36,000, representing the payment made. This receipt justifies the recording of an expenses or asset and the reduction in cash. So in summary, the sales invoice records income and receivables, while the purchase receipt supports inventory purchases and cash outflows. Both documents are essential for accurate financial reporting and control. Thank you. Now I'll hand the time over to Celeste.
Okay, hi, I'm Celeste, and I'll share about the accounting concepts and principles that we applied to our project. So firstly, we incorporated the historical cost concept by recording all our transactions based on actual costs from the source documents, which allow our statements to be objective and verifiable. This allows us to revisit past transactions and ensure that they are accurately recorded. Next up, we also incorporated the revenue recognition concept. So in this project, we recognize that our revenue in the period when they are earned instead of when the money is received. This also allows us to cross-check with the source document to ensure that our records are correct. That's all. Thank you.